Hey there, everybody. Tom Sawyer, Breakout Trading. It is Wednesday, April 15th, and we're going to take a look at GameStop. So this is a trade I'm currently in right now. I already took off partial profit in this, but this was a long from yesterday that we swung through today and then took off partial as we approached the 25 level. But what we're looking at here is GameStop's been in this descending channel over the past several months. We finally popped through the resistance yesterday, which triggered our long, and we're looking for this to continue to climb. Now, the next step, if this is going to keep moving higher, we really need to see a breakthrough 25 resistance. So 25 is what we've tagged previously to the tick. We hit 25 and then rejected it. So it's going to be the previous pivot high here, and that's our next level to break through if this is going to keep running. Now, assuming we get through 25, we're then looking at a push to 26, 25.90 to 26 area. We get through that, we have a gap to fill all the way back up here to like 27, 22, and potentially all the way back up 28 to the next big pivot high. So looking good so far. I like the movement we've had today. Nice follow through. And like I said, we've already taken off partial profit. We're just letting the second part of it run, second half of this trade run over the coming days. But overall, not a bad day. We've had several really good trade opportunities. One of the ones that followed through from yesterday really well was Affirm. Affirm broke through resistance yesterday, triggered our longs. That was right down here, about 53.40. Followed through today. I know everybody was closing on that stretch target at 60, which is what we hit today. So not a bad trade there in Affirm either. But Breakout's been working really well. The one thing I will say to keep in mind is the market's getting a little bit extended here. The S&P, I mean, I know we're at all-time highs, or basically at all-time highs, but we've been straight up now 10 days in a row on the S&P. We've been up. So be careful. Getting a bit extended, probably due for a bit of consolidation. So I'm a bit more cautious currently with where we are and not wanting to take new longs. I'm just letting existing ones kind of play out. But be careful over the next couple of days. Wouldn't be surprised to see a pullback. But that's it for today. See you in the next one. Don't forget, you can join us in the trading room if you want to get these trades live. Just go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link right down in the description. You can try it for 30 days for $7. But that's it for now, and see you in the trading room. And happy trading, everybody.